metallic gray. Tapos yung suit niya, yung undersuit niya is parang it's a cool type of gray. Tapos meron din siya mga black na segments around the armor. And then you can see the battle damage piece right here. Very nice. Wala siyang alt head, pero grabe. Stig ng pagka-damage ng armored helmet niya. Let's take a closer look right here. Super nice. And okay din naman yung paint application. Meron ding resemblance kay Ben Affleck. I really love the mga battle damage pieces kasi super cool na mga weathered look. Ito rin yung part na sa chest, and also meron din siyang mga scratches. So meron siyang level of weathering. Ay, hindi, battle damage. Pero yung sa paint, hindi sila gumawa na any dry brushing or wash. Yung plastic na ginamit nila dito, very nice metallic na gray. Neutral gray. Dito sa inner part, cool gray. Tapos dito, desaturated gold naman. Very cool. And ganda rin ang contrast ng gold and yung para siyang Yanmar bronze na desaturated itong part na to. Hindi siya totally gray. Para siyang may hint ng bronze. Okay? Tapos itong part na to, yung gauntlets niya, it's gold. This one is gold too. And then the cape is gray, tapos wired yung cape niya. So pwede kayong mag-display ng mga dynamic poses, lalo na with Superman. You can recreate yung mga battle scenes nila dun sa BVS na movie. Okay? Alright. Very nice build, very bulky. Gusto ko yung mga bulky armors. And tingnan natin yung articulations in a while. Pero grabe, astig nung pagkakagawa nila dito sa battle damage helmet. And the cape is wired. Then you have the the body here. Tapos you have the stomach section. Ang ganda rin ng shoulder armor. Tapos here's the back. May mga weathering din, mga scratches. Look at the spine design. Tapos, stig to. Yung parang nayupi or na-crush na gauntlet. Ito kasi normal eh. Ito parang na-crush oh. Stig. Since naglalaban nga sila ni Superman. Pati yung gauntlets niya naka-twist. Ay, yung mga spikes naka-twist din. Ang ganda ng part na yon dito. Parang dented yung metal. Alright, tapos yung belt niya, it's gold, tapos meron din siyang crotch protector, and then you have the legs, very bulky legs. Ang ganda rin. Gustong gusto ko yung mga bulky type of armors kasi ganda niyang